Hey y'all, I know it's been a while since I've done a pedicure video, but I soaked my feet and did all that off camera. And today I wanted to try out the Gel X toes. Now this is a disclaimer, y'all. Don't be irritated with me. I didn't pick the best angle to film this video. And I tried to use natural light, y'all, and the sun was just in and out. But anyways, at some points, you'll see. But I'm going to re-record this video so you can see it at a better angle, start to finish. So let me talk about my Gel X experience. I do nails all day, but y'all, leaning over and having my stomach in my chest about took me out. So this set took me a while. First, I kind of prepped my nails by roughing up the surface. I applied some dehydrator and primer, and then I did a coat of base coat, and I cured it for 30 seconds. So as y'all can see, I got some ugly little toes, and I'm okay with that. Okay, y'all, I've had these my whole life, so it is what it is. But the big toe, y'all, was irritating me because it did not fit. So I ended up having to file. I was like right in between two sizes. So I ended up having to file the big one down. And then I was getting frustrated during this process because my nails are so long and these Gel X are so tiny. It was just a frustrating process. I've done this before with no nails, and I feel like it was way quicker. But I didn't do like all 5 toes. I did just the big toe. So anyways, after I applied them, I popped off the little tabs and I filed it. I like a square toenail. I really like them longer than what this was, but this is all that I can get, y'all. But my toenails grow fast, and I don't know about y'all, but they last forever. Like, I could keep my toes for months. They're gonna grow off, but they still look good. So I just am filing in them and just kind of shaping them into my desired shape. And then I'm coming in with a little acetone around the cuticle because this just kind of helps seal the cuticle, and to me it kind of thins it out just a smidgen. So today, y'all, I am coming in with some rubber based gel that I got from Dynamic. It's in my city, so it's like my place I go to in a crunch. It's, like a 20-30 minute drive, so it's not too bad. So I went and got this, and I was like, ooh, I like this color. I'll make sure that I link it below if I can see it, because I be messing up my gel polish bottles. I don't know about y'all, but mine be tore up. But anyways, I just put this on, and then I cured it for about 60 seconds. And then I'm using one of those little nail kit liners I got off of Amazon. I'll link that below as well, just to kind of line it. Now, I do not like how thick I did my little French, but to me, hey, from far away, it looks good. And to me, if somebody's looking that close at my toes, back up. So you get what you get. So I was determined not to just let this be a basic French set. So off camera, I did a little razzle dazzle with a little 3D gel flower, and it was not cute, y'all. It was massive. My husband was like, I ain't trying to be mean, but that's not it. And I kept trying to like squint until, y'all, it was ugly. It wasn't working. So today you get a basic French, okay? But I think I'm going to redo this video because I just feel like I didn't give y'all any justice with this weird angle I decided to record at. But I was being lazy, and I really didn't feel like setting up everything. So I just used this little thing I got from TikTok shop. But anyways, I applied my lotion, my oil, rubbed them bad boys down. And then this is it, y'all. So let me know what y'all think. And if y'all want more in-depth tutorial, let me know. See y'all in the next one. Bye.